Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand for Provincial Ordinance number 2023-293. Mr. Secretary?
It appears, Your Honor, that all members present voted in favor of Provincial Ordinance number 2023-293.
With all members voting in favor, wow, congratulations, in favor of Provincial Ordinance number 2023. Sa sunod naman, praktisahan na naman, board, no? Sa sunod nga, tali si board ang ma-present, kisya ang author. No? Okay? Yes. For Provincial Ordinance number 2023-293, entitled, An Ordinance Providing for the Development and Promotion of Farm Tourism in the Province of Iloilo and Appropriating Funds thereof, authored and sponsored by the Honorable Jason R. Gonzalez and co-sponsored by Honorable Matt P. Palabrica, the Honorable Rolito Cahilig, Honorable Rolando Distura, Honorable Mondehar, John Mondehar, Honorable Binky, April M. Tupas, and Honorable Vice Gov. Christine Garin is now approved under third and final reading. Congratulations.